Hi, I'm Sophie.
And I'm Phin.
And today we're going to be drawing a piranha plant. So let's get started. We're going to use a light green, a red, our black, and yeah. So first we're going to take our black pen, and about right here we're going to draw a little curve, and then from this side we're going to go down till about here. Make another curve and go up about the same distance, and then come back down. So it's like a V almost. And then about right here, we're gonna draw a U. And then after that, we're gonna draw an M on both sides of the V. And then here, and then here we're gonna draw a line, and then a parallel line to it to go about that long. And then we're gonna draw a line here, connect them, and then down a bit, and then not all the way in, just a little, and then down. And the same on the other side. All right, we're done with our drawing part. Oh, right, sorry, I almost forgot. We need to draw little circles in the U. So we're gonna do that real quick. All right, y'all done?
Yeah.
Now we're done with our black. And we're gonna take our red and just color around all the circles in the U. All right, nice job. Now we're gonna take our green and we're gonna color in this spine looking thing. And then when we're done with that, we can color in this tube. And we're done. There you have a piranha plant. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.